Hi, I'm James Allman, and you're watching The Ambush. On this episode, we're asking people, what state is Washington, D.C. in? Let's go. What state is Washington, D.C. in?
What state? You're saying the state, isn't it? Wait, what? New York.
What state is Washington, D.C. in?
Oh man. New Jersey.
Washington.
Washington. Isn't it Washington?
Washington?
Nope.
Washington?
Nebraska.
Maryland.
New Orleans.
What state is Washington, D.C. in?
United States.
Philadelphia, is it? Pennsylvania, that's it.
Its own state. I don't know.
It's not in a state.
It's the District of Columbia.
Washington, D.C. is its own state, right?
I thought it was its own little district. It's not in, it's a District of Columbia.
Thanks for watching The Ambush. See you next time.